Hi everyone! Welcome back to another episode of XP Talk, where healthy smiles begin. I'm Jella, and grabe guys, super special ng episode natin today because today marks the very first of XP Talk. 1 year na tayong kwentuhan, learning, and smile stories. Thank you for all the viewers, listeners, and especially to our loyal supporters. And dahil anniversary nga, we had to bring back someone who's very special to us.
Thank you, Jella. And happy anniversary sa XP Talk. Grabe, 1 year na.
Dok, feeling ko parang kailan lang, tapos ngayon 1 year na tayo. So, Doc, before we go deep, I just wanna ask, guys, raise your hand kapag na-experience ka na lang. Masakit na panga, may clicking sounds kapag bumubo ka, headache na parang migraine, or parang laging may tension sa face mo. Doc, marami kasing ganito, pero hindi nila alam ano.
Yes, and very common siya.
So, Doc, start tayo sa basics. Ano nga ba ang TMJ?
TMJ stands for temporomandibular joint. It is the structure, and TMD is the disorder of the structure.
So, parang door hinge, pero premium version.
And inside it, meron this. Cushion siya para smooth yung movement.
So, Doc, mabilis lang, TMJ versus TMD.
TMJ is the joint, it is the structure, while TMD is the disorder of the structure.
So, TMJ is the part and TMD is the problem. Doc, ano ba yung common symptoms na aware dapat ang mga tao?
Some of the common symptoms are jaw pain, clicking sound, black jaw, headaches, neck pain, ear pain, grinding, or clenching.
Doc, yung ear pain, shocking yan ah.
Yes, because malapit siya sa ear canal.
So, Doc, bakit nagkakaroon na to? Stress lang ba ang isang tao or may iba pang dahilan?
Stress is just one of the factors, but it's not the only one. TMJ problems are usually due to combination of muscle imbalance, jaw misalignment, bite issues, and overuse of the structure.
So, Doc, parang nag-a-adjust yung jaw.
Yes, and over time, nagiging strange.
Yung click and sounds, Doc, saan ba ito nanggagaling?
Usually, it's from the disc shifting. It's like pillow between bones.
Doc, clenching talaga? Hindi ba parang lahat tayo guilty dito?
Exactly. The jaw muscles are very strong. If you clench all night, parang nag-gym ang jaw mo.
So, Doc, parang nag-workout yung mukha ko habang tulog ako?
Yes.
Grabe, Doc. Sa episode 1 pa lang, grabe na ang learnings. So, guys, recap. TMJ is the joint. TMD is the disorder. Symptoms can be joint pain, clicking sounds, headaches, neck pain, and ear pains. So, Doc, for our next episode, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano dinadiagnose ang TMJ, ano yung treatment, and syempre, what makes Exquisite Advanced Dental Center different pagdating sa TMJ.
Yes, excited ako for episode 2.
XQFam, thank you for listening. See you again on our next episode, sa episode 2. Here lang sa Exquisite Advanced Dental Center, where healthy smiles begin. See ya!